Sports brought to you by
Courts has what you need to make home yours. Easy payment plans using Courts Ready Finance. Courts, make home yours.
Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Reggae boy Javon East says he remains in Jordan awaiting a flight back to Jamaica after leaving Israel on Saturday amid escalating conflict involving Israel, the United States and Iran. Speaking this afternoon on Radio Jamaica's Beyond the Headlines with Dion Jackson Miller, the 30-year-old striker who has been plying his trade in Israel for the past 2 seasons provided an update about his well-being while outlining the uncertainty surrounding his travel plans.
Yes, we're waiting on a flight, as you say, because most of the flight, go to Europe, and the situation with Europe and Jamaica is that we can't stay in Europe for a day. We have to leave if we don't have a Schengen visa.
East explained that although he was able to exit Israel safely, ongoing regional tension and disrupted flight routes have made it difficult to secure passage back home.
Sometimes the passport sometimes is a problem, Jamaican passport. Mm-hmm. But they give us a chance to come across the border because of the situation.
Okay, so how you feel now where you are?
I feel okay, but I don't want to be so close because it's very close same way. Yeah, we just hear siren like almost every day here too. It's more relaxing than Israel at this moment.
East currently plays at Hapoel Beersheva, who lead the Israeli Premier League by 5 points.